When you run a small business, you likely have limited IT overhead and a mix of desktops, laptops, and maybe servers. What you do not want is an antivirus tool that slows down every user's machine or demands too much system overhead. That's why we're looking at ESET Endpoint Security and Avira Antivirus Pro, two strong contenders that emphasize low impact. Let's start with ESET. ESET has earned a reputation for low resource usage and being gentle on system performance. One review listed ESET as the best low-resource usage antivirus for small business operations. The result? It runs quietly in the background, uses fewer system resources, and won't drag down your machines when a scan or update happens. For a small business where every user device counts, that is a major plus. On top of that, ESET provides strong protection, endpoint controls, and a console designed for business management. According to one comparison, ESET slightly outperformed Avira in lab tests for malware detection and performance. Now let's talk about Avira. Avira brings a compelling proposition too. It is often recognized as best for performance optimization among small business antivirus options. Avira's interface is simple, setup is fairly straightforward, and it offers solid protection and usability. However, some reviews point out that because it includes more built-in features or modules, the resource usage may not always be as minimal as the very lightest tools. For example, one review said the biggest complaint about Avira was it takes up quite a bit of system resources because it offers so many security options. So which one should a small business pick if they care about lightest impact antivirus across multiple machines? If you prioritize minimal system footprint, devices that must stay fast, users who cannot tolerate slowdowns, then ESET is a very strong choice. It's built for performance first and still delivers business-grade protection and manageability. On the other hand, if you want a solid antivirus that is more plug-and-play, with strong usability and perhaps fewer configuration demands, and if your devices can tolerate a little more overhead, Avira could be the better fit. Either way, both tools are good options in the small business space. The best fit depends on how critical device performance is for your team, how many machines you're protecting, and how comfortable you are managing the solution.